Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and we're talking about this 1978 Ford F350 crew cab monster truck here. And so this is going to be a pretty cool truck. We've got the Coyote motor in it. The radiator is mounted in it with the electric fans that we sell on our website, so definitely check those out. Bolt-in direct fit, easy to install for your Coyote swap. And we're doing a Hydro Boost. The customer actually had this kit set up. It's a Wheel Woodmaster cylinder, Hydro Boost. And so we're basically trying to get all the lines ran so that everything's nice and easy. One of the things that we're doing is when you're running power steering, trying to get tied into that power steering box, you might wonder what's the best way to do it. Well, the best way to do it is to make sure that you use the factory pressure line that goes into the system. And what we do is we actually cut it off right here, and then we weld on an AN fitting. It still seals up nice when going into the power steering box, but then we can convert it to AN fittings when we're going over to the power steering pump that we're using on the Coyote for power steering. It's kind of a little tidbit information. Trying to get AN fittings and adapters going to the power steering box can be a little bit frustrating, a little confusing, leaking and all that kind of stuff. So basically, you're better off with sticking with the stock fitting setup. So basically at this point, we're starting to pull wires, get the air conditioning box mounted up. We're using Restomod Air. It's a kit that we've used for this truck, something that you can purchase from us. We're a dealer for Restomod Air, and we use all the products that work well. They actually got their controls that actually direct fit into the box or your dash, but fits into the hole in your dash just perfectly. So still retains that factory look, but you get all the upgraded options of a Restomod Air. We've installed some Restomod membrane in here and trying to keep it the heat down and a little bit quieter, but also, you know, tighten everything up and a little bit of sound deadening at the same time. So we're getting going on this. We've got, because it's going to be kind of a farm truck and they're going to haul some hay on it, we got some little helper back springs, putting a little small air compressor, little extra air tank and everything to kind of help it out. So got this thing rocking and rolling, and we'll be staying up to date with some updates on it. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment below. We'll try to answer those, but stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on what we're doing on it. Thanks.